What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2017 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi Classic. Really beautiful truck. You just put these off-road tires on it and wheels. Really nice, 20s. What we got done on it for you guys is got stock converters there and there. Then it winds into a single right there. 3.5-inch pipe all the way back. And then we put a 3.5 to 3-inch, then 3-inch pipe into a 2.5-inch wide pipe, or 3-inch to 2.5 wide pipe. And we reused his tailpipes. He didn't want it too loud, so he left the resonators on it there and there. That's just a heat shield on that resonator for the tire. I don't know why they put it on this one, but they don't put it on this one. They use tire cover or whatever. It's stupid. But anyways, there's the tailpipes and it's factory tips. He's gonna come back. We're gonna put some 5 or 6-inch tips on it for him, but he's gonna fix that bumper first. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's how you do the Dynamax. All right, guys, we got a Hemi Ram 1500 5.7 liter 2017. You can see him all excited over there in the corner. Look at him. He's excited waiting to hear it. Anyways, what we got done on her for you guys. Factory converter, factory wide. 3-inch pipe, added an extension to put it in the middle. Flowmaster Flow FX, there'll be a part number in the description for it, guys. Then 2.25 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and right there. And 2 4-inch roll tips, there and there. Stainless steel to complete the look, as you guys can see right there. Flow effects, 2 tailpipes, 2 tips. Nice, clean. There's the stock system that was on it right there. On these, they come in dual, single in, single out. And there's the tailpipe, resonator, and single exit. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Jared's standing in the background looking like all, you know.
Bro, you can't see me. You just followed me out.
I can see you in the wheels.
You can see my legs.
There's his legs. Look at them scrawny legs. Ram 1500 2016 with custom wheels, custom lift. Really nice truck. 5.7 Hemi. Factory converter there. Wires into a single 3-inch pipe. Then we continued the 3-inch pipe and deleted the muffler and replaced it with a beautiful Thrush. When was the last time you guys seen a Thrush muffler? Look at that. Here it is right there. There'll be a part number 17661 right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. Just 3-inch in, 2.5 out. Right there. Then 2.25 tailpipes out the back. Factory. We left the factory resonators on it there and there. And replaced the tips with black 4-inch roll tips out the back to complete the look there and there. He didn't want the signature 5-inch. He didn't want them too big, so we did 4-inch for him. Came out clean, nice. There's a factory muffler on it. It was a single in, dual out. And there's the factory tips that were on it. We cut them off and replaced them with black to complete the look. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you don't know, we are located in where, Jared? Nashville, Tennessee. Music City, USA. Oh yeah, much better. That's the muffler we cut off. Yeah, the Dynamax gives it that nice crackle. That's nice. Your sound decibels? 108. I like it. Gotta back it out. Flow effects. Yes? You're supposed to be jumping up and down. Yeah! Very nice. Yes. Heavy, man. Much better. Where's the Hemi? Man. Very nice. Enjoy it, guys. I hope you like it. Stop digging. Look, you guys, here on the inside. Thrush. Crack manifold. Still sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 100. Thrush. Not bad at all, actually. Resonators, 4-inch tips. Again. Not bad. Sounds so nice. Got a nice stance to it too. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. With a race bullet, Dynamax, and muffler delete. Much better. Ram 1500 Flow FX duals. Enjoy, guys. Ram with 26s on it, guys. Got thrush muffler and 4-inch tips, stock resonators. Good looking truck.